in this video we will see how to fix error code 86. The specified network password is not correct. Error invalid password on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box. And in run dialog box, type the command services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. So open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available services list, scroll down and look for the services SSDP discovery. Simply apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and make sure that services status is a start mode. If you found it in a stop mode, then start it and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is the one more services you will have to start or restart. TCP IP Net BIOS Helper. Same process, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, set a startup type as automatic and service status should be start. Finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter, the one more services you will have to start or restart is computer browser services. Same process, apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that service status is a start and a startup type should be automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, the one more services, scroll down and go to the alphabetical S server status. Server services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and service status should be start. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. In settings page, from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters. And here run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of network related issue. So you must run network and internet troubleshooters and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. And in run dialog box, type gpedit.msc. This command will open local group policy editor window in Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition only. Here from the left side of policy under local computer policy, under computer configuration, expand Windows settings, expand security settings, and here expand local policy. And under local policy, select security option, select it, thereafter go to right side and available policy, scroll down and you will find at the bottom of the page network security LAN manager authentication label. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. And here click on a small arrow and here select send NT-LM version 2 response only refuse LM and NT-LM and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, don't forget to restart your system. And after restarting your system, your problem should be definitely be resolved. So don't forget to restart your system. That's all.